Welcome back to our channel where great dreams are been nurtured to fertilization. In today's video, we're diving deep into the art of outsmarting everyone and taking the lead in every aspect of life. Whether it's in your career, social circles, or personal goals, I'm going to share powerful techniques that will give you the edge you've been searching for. From psychological strategies to practical tips, you'll learn how to rise above the competition with confidence and ease. If you're ready to transform your approach and become the leader you're meant to be, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our game-changing content. Let's get started and unlock your full potential. Here are 10 powerful quotes and techniques on how to outsmart everyone and take the lead like a courageous leader in the jungle. 1. The art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. Sun Tzu. In a heated business negotiation, you anticipate the opposing party's needs and offer a solution that benefits both sides, avoiding conflict and securing the deal. 2. Knowledge is power. Francis Bacon. During a team meeting, you impress your colleagues by presenting detailed research and insights about the project, guiding the team toward the best strategy. Strategy without tactics is the slowest route to victory. Tactics without strategy is the noise before defeat. Sun Tzu. While planning a new marketing campaign, you create a detailed strategy and assign specific tactics to your team members, ensuring a smooth and effective execution. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Sun Tzu. During a company crisis, you calmly identify a gap in the market that can be filled, turning a potential disaster into a profitable venture. Keep your friends close and your enemies closer. Sun Tzu. In a competitive work environment, you build relationships with your rivals, gaining insight into their strategies and staying one step ahead. He who has a why to live can bear almost any how. Friedrich Nietzsche. Facing a challenging project, you remind your team of the ultimate goal and purpose, inspiring them to push through obstacles and succeed. Fortune favors the bold. Virgil. Instead of playing it safe, you propose a bold, innovative idea during a brainstorming session, earning the respect and admiration of your peers and superiors. The greatest victory is that which requires no battle. Sun Tzu. By building strong alliances within your industry, you create a network of support that helps you achieve your goals without direct confrontation. You can have everything in life you want if you will just help other people get what they want. Zig Ziglar. Leading a team project, you focus on understanding and fulfilling each member's aspirations, resulting in a highly motivated and productive team. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. Alan Kay. In a stagnant industry, you introduce a groundbreaking product or service, setting new trends and establishing your company as a leader. And that wraps up our deep dive into outsmarting the competition and taking the lead in your endeavors. Remember, the key isn't just to outthink others, but to continually outthink yourself. Apply these strategies, stay adaptable, and most importantly, keep pushing your boundaries. But remember, motivation is a journey, not a destination. That's why I'm here every week, sharing tips, tricks, and strategies to keep you moving forward. If you're serious about crushing your goals and building the life you deserve, hit that subscribe button below and join our community. We're in this together. Let's go make magic happen and live a positive impact in the world. Thank you for watching.